Good morning, friends. Welcome to ABC Real by Bhanu channel. Today, I am Anshu Kaur. I am here to discuss Poem 2, A Nation's Strength, with all of you. This is a poem of Class 5th, Subject English Reader. This video is beneficial for Army Public School students. This video is important for exam perspective. In this video, we are going to discuss first word meaning of this poem, second objective questions of this poem, third question and answer of this poem. Friends, इंग्लिश रीडर पोम 2 से पहले हम लोगों ने 3 चैप्टर्स एंड 1 पोम डिस्कस की है। आप इस वीडियो को देखने से पहले उन चैप्टर्स को जरूर देख लें, क्योंकि इंग्लिश रीडर ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है। और हमारे वीडियोस अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारी इंग्लिश रीडर ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूअर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं, प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी किए सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं। First we will discuss word meaning of this lesson. First, pillars. Its parts of speech is noun. Its meaning is supports. Second, sound. It is also a noun which means strong or stable. Third, bound. It is an adjective which means certain to do something. Fourth, prosper. It is a verb which means succeed. Fifth, wealth. It is a noun which means money. Sixth, people. It is also a noun which means the citizen of a country. Seventh, owner. It is also a noun which means high respect. Eighth, fast. It is an adjective which means firm or secure. Ninth, suffer. It is a verb which means to experience hurt or pain. 10th, dare. It is also a verb which means have the courage to do something. 11th, fly. It is also a verb which means to run away in the face of terror. Second, we will discuss objective questions of this lesson. Question number 1. What is not considered to be a nation's strength? Options are A. People, B. Gold, C. Land, D. Sky. Answer of this question is B. Gold. Question number 2. Why do mean stand fast and suffer long? Options are A. For food, B. For wealth and riches, C. For truth and honor, D. For strength. Answer of this question is C. For truth and honor. Question number 3. What kind of men work while others sleep? Options are A. Brave, B. Happy, C. Unhappy. D. Separate. Answer of this question is A. Brave. Question number 4. What do man do after building a nation's pillar? Options are A. They fly away. B. They sleep. C. They dance. D. They lift them to the sky. Answer of this question is D. They left them to the sky. Question and answer. Question number 1. What are some of the virtues that the people of a nation must have in order for it to achieve greatness? Answer of this question is truthfulness, bravery, and to be daring are the virtues that the people of a nation must have in order for it to achieve greatness. Question number 2. How do nations become strong? Answer of this question is a nation becomes strong when people work with honesty and sincerity. Question number 3. How should people react during hard times? Answer of this question is people should stand together and face the challenge. Question number 4. Do you agree that it is important to behave well, not only when being observed but at all times? Answer of this question is yes. I do agree that it is important to behave well, not only when being observed but all time. Question number 5. Name any poem which awakens the feeling of nationhood. Answer of this question is a nation's strength is the poem which awakens the feeling of nationhood. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For more such videos, press bell icon. Friends, English Reader All Chapter Series एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो आप प्लीज़ हमारे सभी वीडियोस अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारी इंग्लिश रीडर ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। तो फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।